So hopefully you can see that dripping from that fitting right there when I flush the toilet. I think the wax ring is bad, so we're going to replace that. But you can see water right there. It was all dripping from up in there. Now we're going to go change the wax ring. So now we're upstairs in the bathroom. We're going to pull this toilet and see what the problem is. We're going to pull off these china caps first. I already took them off. Usually they're a little harder to pull off than that. Just put something underneath them to pry them up. Take that off. Same thing on the other side. One thing I want to do is get some of this water out of here, and also any water that's left over in the tank from when we flush it. But we also, here we turn the water off to this valve. Also this china cap comes off, and we'll take these. But so the toilet's very loose. Watch this. So we'll find out whether the flange may be broken, but we're going to find out. So what I'm going to do is vacuum the water out of this first. So now we got all the water out, vacuumed it up, both out of the bowl and out of the tank. Tank's empty. I think we're going to tighten these bolts right here from underneath because this tank is very loose. The water's going out of here. You can see there's a P-trap made in the toilet here. So this is always holding water right here so you don't get sewer gas coming back through this area. And we're going to take these loose. And this one. So the flange is broken here. Take a look at this. See that? See that crack in it? I'm going to take this self-tapping screw right here. So you see I put those two screws there. They're going to tighten that flange back up. Put this in there, and it's going to hold it tight now. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to screw this down into the floor so that way this flange is damaged and it's been weakened, of course. So we'll run this into the wooden floor, to keep pressure off the flange. So. we got it back together here. The flange bolts are in, and just because we pulled it, I put another wax ring on top of the one that was there so it would smash it down, so it has a nice seal. Push it down really well. The tank is tighter now. The toilet is tight. China caps are back on, and it's filling up. And we'll check it in a minute. Flush it. So I'll take this damp sponge and just kind of wipe around just to clean this area up. So I wiped all the caulk away. You can see, can't even really see it. Toilet's good. Flush it. Flush is good. And no more leaks.